Ready? A, B,
C, D, E, F,
G, G. Come on.
D,
H,
H,
I, J, J,
K,
K, K,
T,
L,
L,
M,
M,
N,
S,
O, O,
O,
P,
P,
Q,
Q,
R,
R,
S,
S,
T,
T,
U,
U,
V,
W, X,
V,
V,
W,
W, X,
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 Y,
Y,
Z.
G.
Okay, ready to sing? Ready? Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with
me?
Okay, can Eden do it? Can Eden do it by yourself?
No.
Come on. Say it by yourself.
A, B.
That's right.
A, B, C, D.
Come on, show mommy.
No.
You don't want to show your friends that you're learning your ABCs?
The easy.
Come on, say it for mommy. Can you say it for mommy?
No.
Come on, say it. Do it like Elmo and Big Bird.
A, B, C, D, A, E, V, W, Y, Z.
Yay!
You missed a few.
Good!
Very good.
You missed the middle, but you got the front and the back. That's pretty good.
Can you do the middle part?
No.
She's tired, Daddy.
Yes.
I know. That was good. Oh,
Peter.
I know. You want to see it, don't you? Oh. Wait a minute. You want to sit with Daddy?
Sit, Daddy.
Okay. Here.
Sit, Daddy.
Okay.
Sit, Daddy.
Come here.
Sit, Daddy. Sit, Daddy.
Oh.
Oh, Mira.
Can I see too?